Most people get this wrong when choosing bookkeeping software. They pick the most popular tool, or the cheapest one, and then they struggle with messy finances for years. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best bookkeeping software is not the one with the most features. It's the one that actually fits how your business runs every single day. And if you stay with me for the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly which bookkeeping tools are worth your money in 2026, which ones to avoid, and how to choose the right one so you can finally stop stressing about invoices, taxes, and cash flow. Even if you've never used accounting software before, you'll understand everything step by step. Let's start immediately. Bookkeeping is simply tracking money in and money out. Every invoice you send, every expense you pay, every sale you make. Now, here's where most small business owners fail. They try to do everything manually in spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets. It works for maybe a week. Then things get messy. Imagine Alex, who runs a small online store. At first he tracks everything in a notebook. Then invoices pile up. Payments get delayed. Tax season arrives and he has no idea what he earned. That's exactly why bookkeeping software exists. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and gives you real financial clarity. Now, let's go into the best tools that actually solve this problem. First on the list is QuickBooks Online. This is one of the most widely used bookkeeping platforms in the world, especially for small businesses. QuickBooks is powerful because it automates almost everything. You can connect your bank account, and it automatically tracks income and expenses. You can generate invoices in seconds. You can even see profit and loss reports instantly. But here's the problem. QuickBooks can feel overwhelming for beginners. There are a lot of features, and if you don't know accounting basics, it can feel confusing at first. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once you set it up properly, QuickBooks becomes like your financial assistant. It reminds you of unpaid invoices, tracks expenses automatically, and helps with tax reporting. For example, Jake, who runs a small digital marketing agency, uses QuickBooks. He used to spend 5 hours a week on bookkeeping. Now he spends less than 30 minutes. That's the real value. Next up is FreshBooks. FreshBooks is known for simplicity. If QuickBooks feels like a full accounting system, FreshBooks feels like a clean, easy invoicing tool that grew into a bookkeeping platform. FreshBooks is perfect for freelancers, designers, consultants, and service-based businesses. You can create beautiful invoices, track time, and accept online payments easily. But here's the catch. FreshBooks is not as strong as QuickBooks when it comes to advanced accounting or inventory management. Now here's where it gets interesting. FreshBooks shines in client experience. Let's say John is a freelance designer. He sends an invoice through FreshBooks. His client gets a clean, professional-looking invoice, can pay online, and even sees project details in one place. That improves payment speed significantly. So, if your business is service-based, FreshBooks might actually be better than QuickBooks. Now let's move to the third option, Xero. Xero is a very strong competitor to QuickBooks, especially for small and growing businesses. What makes Xero special is its clean interface and unlimited users on most plans. That means your accountant, your business partner, and your team can all access it without extra cost. But here's the problem. Xero is not as widely supported in every country compared to QuickBooks. So depending on your location, integrations may be limited. Now here's where it gets interesting. Xero excels in automation. It automatically reconciles bank transactions, matches payments, and reduces manual work significantly. For example, Sarah runs an online clothing store. She connects her bank to Xero, and every transaction is categorized automatically. She barely needs to touch bookkeeping manually. Next is Zoho Books. Zoho Books is one of the most underrated tools, especially for small businesses in Asia and emerging markets. The biggest advantage is price. Zoho Books is significantly cheaper than QuickBooks or Xero, but still offers powerful features like invoicing, expense tracking, and tax management. But here's the problem. Zoho Books can feel limited if your business scales very fast or needs complex accounting features. Now here's where it gets interesting. Zoho Books integrates perfectly with the entire Zoho ecosystem. So if you use Zoho CRM or Zoho Inventory, everything connects smoothly. For example, a small retail shop owner named Raj uses Zoho Books. He tracks sales, inventory, and invoices all in one place, without paying high subscription fees. Now let's talk about Wave. Wave is one of the best completely free bookkeeping tools available. Yes, free. You can create invoices, track expenses, and manage basic accounting without paying anything. But here's the catch. Wave is best for very small businesses or freelancers. It lacks advanced features like deep reporting, automation, and inventory management. Now here's where it gets interesting. Wave is perfect if you are just starting your business and want zero financial commitment. For example, Emma, a part-time tutor, uses Wave to track her monthly income. She doesn't need complex accounting, so Wave is perfect for her. Next on the list is Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Sage is one of the oldest accounting software companies in the world. It is designed for businesses that want reliable, structured accounting with strong compliance features. But here's the problem. Sage is not the most beginner-friendly tool. The interface feels more traditional and less modern compared to competitors. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sage is extremely strong in tax compliance and reporting, especially for businesses that need strict accounting standards. For example, a small construction company uses Sage to manage payroll, expenses, and tax reporting accurately without errors. Finally, we have Kashu. Kashu is designed for simplicity and automation. It focuses on making bookkeeping as easy as possible. You can connect bank accounts, track expenses, and generate reports with minimal setup. But here's the catch. Kashu is not as feature-rich as QuickBooks or Xero. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Kashu uses machine learning to categorize transactions automatically, which saves a lot of time for small business owners. For example, Mike runs a small consulting business. He connects Kashu to his bank, and it automatically organizes his expenses without manual input. Now that you've seen all 7 tools, let's simplify everything. If you want the most powerful all-in-one solution, QuickBooks is your best choice. If you want simplicity and client-friendly invoicing, FreshBooks is excellent. If you want clean design and scalability, go with Xero. If you want affordability and ecosystem integration, Zoho Books is a strong pick. If you are just starting and want free tools, Wave is perfect. If you want traditional accounting with strong compliance, Sage is your option. And if you want automation with simplicity, Kashu is worth considering. But here's the most important part. The best software is not about features. It's about consistency. A simple tool used properly is always better than a complex tool you don't use. So here's what you should do next. Think about your business size, your budget, and how much time you want to spend on bookkeeping. Then pick the tool that fits your workflow, not the one with the most hype. To wrap it all up, bookkeeping software is not just about tracking money. It's about understanding your business. It helps you make better decisions, avoid cash flow problems, and prepare for taxes without stress. If you got value from this breakdown, like the video, leave a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more practical business guides that actually help you grow.